Saint-Elon Pierre Charles, and I'm here reporting live at HWP News Station. Here we have a story about Hurricane Matthew in Orlando, Florida. One of our news anchors, Bob, was almost taken away last night by the hurricane. It's crazy. So now we have a new one in Daytona Beach. She's reporting live. Sarah, can you hear me? Can you tell the people what's going on in Daytona Beach right now?
Don't make unnecessary journeys. Don't take risks on treacherous roads. And don't swim in the sea. Incredibly, people have been spotted in the water here in Black Rock and Salt Hill both today and yesterday.
What? Sarah! 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 Oh shit.